Okay, got a little bit of a game this week. So I'm out skiing in Telluride, Colorado with my daughter, Joan. And so we've had a great day. Just got a few more laps. We were almost closed down for the day. I can't remember. Did I tell you I'm in Telluride, Colorado? And this is like sort of one of the lower runs. So we're just wrapping up the day. And each run as we go up here, we go over this this outdoor restaurant and little bistro. And they've got a guy outside playing guitar. And so we're playing this game of trying to guess, because we can't hear it until we're halfway up the run. Then you'll hear it really well. And we're trying to guess what he's going to be playing, what artist he's going to be playing a song by. And so yesterday we started this game and he played like a song by U2 and Jack Johnson and Neil Young. And so so the next time up we try to guess, and Joan she said Johnny Cash. And sure enough, next time we come up, he's playing Johnny Cash. It was hilarious. And so we've been playing this game. So right now we're about 10-15 seconds. We're gonna go right by. He's gonna be playing something. Joan, what's your guess?
Tom Petty.
Okay, so Joan says Tom Petty. I'm gonna go with Bob Marley. And the only asterisk is the last time up was actually the first time in the last couple days where he was playing something we didn't know what it was. But we're about 10 seconds away, so put your guess in right now down in the comments to guess who it was. Today he's played, what did he play today? Jimmy Buffett and Doobie Brothers. So here we go. I hope he's not taking a break. Oh, he's talking right now. Oh boy. He could be between songs. We'll still hear him as we go by. You can see like right.
Oh, he's gonna start.
Right down there.
I'm Sean. I'll be here through the weekend and next week playing from Cheetah Full on the nice days. I will not be here tomorrow.
So Sean's not going to be here tomorrow. He's
Down in front of tracks, 1 to 5.
Come on, Sean. We need the song.
Come join me this weekend and next week.
Sean's blowing it for us.
Sean hasn't done
Feel
this
free to
before.
grab one of my business cards. I have cards.
You can get a business card from him. Maybe follow him on Instagram.
Tell his best friend.
You can have me play your private party or your.
You can play your private party, your wedding.
Dude. Oh, good. Get your skis wet.
Get your skis waxed. Okay, so this is an obvious fail. Sorry about that, folks.
He's still talking.
Yeah. So this is the thing. I've been coming to this mountain skiing with my family for nearly 20 years. These runs we've been going down. You know, I remember when I just had, I was had to babysit the kids turn by turn, and it was painful back then. I just kept on saying to myself, "This is an investment. It's an investment." And it paid off, because now I get out here with the kids and they're still willing to wait up for me because they are really good skiers now and they're really fast. And the reason I'm telling you all this is I just wanted to share a little bit. I teach you a lot about marketing. I teach you a lot about business, about growing your business, about launches. You've probably seen some of that from me. But if you follow along and read between the lines, there's also a thread of having a great life, of having a business, building a business that serves you and your life. And so having a great, not just a great launch, but a great business, and then a great life. And I've been thinking a lot lately, there's things that, no matter how successful you get, no matter how much money you have, you can't buy. And the things that really I'm thinking about right now are like the peace of mind, just to have a peaceful mind. You can't buy that. You have to work at it. Having a loving family and loving relationships, you can't buy that. You have to work at it. No amount of money is going to buy you a loving home or great loving friendships. And then a healthy body, and all of us are born with different degrees of these three things. Some of us have, really challenging bodies our entire lives. Some of us are born into really challenging circumstances that it's hard to have peace of mind. And it's hard to have a loving, you're not born into a loving family, but all of us can work on all of those things. None of them take money. And sometimes the pursuit of business and the pursuit of money, people forget to pursue the things that really matter. You know, I like to talk about balance. Some people say there's no such thing as balance. Tony Robbins, we had if you watch an interview I did with Tony, we talked about this a lot. He's not necessarily a believer in balance, but I believe in balance, and I believe in pursuing those things outside of a business. So we are just about at the end of the run, right there. We're just about to get off in a few seconds. So we're going to wrap this video. Say, hope you have a great day. Put up the bar, and let's go get it this week.